I'm going to show you how you can install and use Adobe After Effects on your PC and or laptop. Now, from the Adobe After Effects website here, you want to click on either Buy Now or a free trial. I'm just going to click on free trial here, and I'm going to pick on After Effects here, and I'm going to pick annual, paid monthly here, and then click on continue. Now, once I click on continue, I will have to enter in my payment details here, and I will have to click on a business account as well. You can see right now it is a free detail. I'm going to click on continue. Now, you'll just have to follow the on-screen prompt here, like you'll need to pay and you'll need to enter in the email address as well, and then you'll be able to download Adobe After Effects on your PC and or laptop. Now, I already have it downloaded here, so I'm just going to show you how you can start setting it up. First off, you want to go to setup.exe here. You want to double click it, and you then click on yes. Now, on here, just wait for it to load like this. Wait for it to load. Give it a second. Now, once here, pick a language and then click on the location for your default location. I'm just going to click on default location. I'm just going to click on continue. After that, it's going to be installing. Now, just wait for it to install here. Now, once it's done installing, let's just click on launch to make sure it works. Now, you can see it's opening Adobe After Effects 2023. Let's just wait for it to load like this. Now you can see we have it open, and this is what it looks like. You can start using it whatever you like for After Effects and all the other things. That's it. We're done.